Hello ma'am, sir, good day. I'm Charles Joshua Balanay. I'm 24 years old and I live in Lawag City, Ilocos Norte, Philippines. So I want to go abroad because my sister works in Hong Kong and my passion is car wash, housework, basic cook, yard cleaner, and I am also a first timer to work abroad. What I experienced in the Philippines, working was a company driver, like travel and tours in a years. Besides, I also have my own car. I have been driving a car for 8 years. Um, if you accept me as a family driver, and I will improve my work and I will love the job you will give me. And thank you, ma'am, sir.